Are you ready to revolutionize your diet, boost your health, and make a positive impact on the planet? Discover the power of plant-based eating. Starting a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet is a powerful way to transform your health, reduce your environmental impact, and explore a world of delicious new foods. Let's dive into how beginners can start incorporating more plants into their diet. At its core, a plant-based diet focuses on foods primarily derived from plants. This includes not just fruits and vegetables, but also nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans. It's important to note that this doesn't necessarily mean you have to become vegetarian or vegan. It's about proportionately choosing more of your foods from plant sources. People are drawn to plant-based diets for various reasons. Some are motivated by the numerous health benefits, such as lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Others are concerned about the environmental impact of animal agriculture or have ethical concerns about animal welfare. So, how can a beginner start eating more plants? First, start small. Try incorporating one plant-based meal per day or having a meatless day each week. This gradual approach can make the transition less overwhelming. Next, focus on adding rather than subtracting. Instead of thinking about what foods you should eliminate, concentrate on adding more vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to your plate. This positive approach can make the change feel more achievable and enjoyable. Experiment with new foods and recipes. Try a vegetable you've never had before, or look up plant-based versions of your favorite meals. Many cultures have delicious plant-based dishes that can broaden your culinary horizons. Make sure to plan your meals. Having a variety of plant-based ingredients on hand and knowing what you'll cook can prevent falling back on less healthy convenience foods. Learn about plant-based protein sources. Beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and seitan are excellent options. Nuts and seeds also provide protein along with healthy fats. Don't forget about vitamin B12. This vitamin is primarily found in animal products, so if you decide to eliminate these entirely, consider a supplement or fortified foods. One common concern when starting a plant-based diet is feeling satisfied. Remember to include sources of protein and healthy fats in your meals. These nutrients help you feel full and provide necessary energy. Another challenge can be dining out or eating with others. Many restaurants now offer plant-based options, and you can always ask for modifications to existing menu items. When eating with others, offer to bring a plant-based dish to share. Transitioning to a more plant-based diet doesn't have to happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and celebrate the small changes you make. Every plant-based meal is a step towards better health and a more sustainable diet. Remember, a plant-based diet is not about restriction, but about opening up to a world of diverse, delicious, and nutritious foods. Start your journey today by adding more colorful fruits and vegetables to your next meal. Your body and the planet will thank you. Let's recap the key points of starting a plant-based diet. First, start small by incorporating one plant-based meal per day, or having a meatless day each week. Focus on adding more vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to your plate rather than eliminating foods. Experiment with new plant-based foods and recipes to keep your diet interesting and enjoyable. Remember to include plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts in your meals. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small changes as you transition to a more plant-based diet. Thank you for watching our guide on starting a plant-based diet. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate more plant-based meals into your life. Remember, every small step counts towards better health and a more sustainable future. Start your plant-based journey today.